Hey friends, TUXX here. You know, I've been loving my Kineon Move Plus, okay? And this is a thing where I've been using this, honestly, if you go back in my channel, you'll see I've been using this for weeks and maybe a month. I haven't really been keeping track, but I've really been enjoying this, and I've been using it daily. And I can tell you, out of all the devices I use and things I review on this channel, you know, some I use more regularly, and some of them I don't, you know? And some of them I have a million versions of, and I use it periodically off and on, but this is a device which I use pretty much every single day with great consistency, and it's something where I wouldn't miss this if this was not in my life right now. So if you're not familiar, you can go back and watch the other unboxing videos, but basically this is, you know, a red light laser device which is meant to relieve pain, and it can be used all over the body, and it's very positive. Like, I really like using this device. I believe it helps me, honestly. But the one complaint I have, okay, the one opportunity for this device, and I've said this before, is really the strap. The strap, the original strap that comes with it, which is nice, you know, it's pack in, it has a high ballistic nylon feel to it, so it's a good quality strap, but something about it, I think it's maybe the clasp is plastic, maybe it's the way this slides a little bit here on its own, even though you think it would stay tight. It is not quite as effective as I wish it could be. And luckily, for this particular video, what I have my hands on is a upgraded strap, which we're going to unbox for you today. Now, before I go further, I do want to mention I will have a link for this product right below, so be sure and click that link, okay? And again, I want to definitely say this is a unscripted video. These are my words, and this is a device which I truly love. So let's go ahead and open this up here. No AI script here for us. Let me go ahead and clip into this. You can see it comes very nicely packed here in bubble wrap and everything, so it's going to make it to you in one piece. If you have someone on your Christmas list coming up who has pain, the Kineon Move Plus would make a great device, and this upgrade strap, we'll find out, but I believe this is something which I would say is almost like a must-have. Like, if you buy this, you should definitely get this upgraded strap, because this can actually do the back in some areas that this one can't quite reach, okay? This is great for legs, arms, things like that, but maybe not the back. And let's see here. There's a barcode for you, but again, there will be a link in the description down below. Nice little box, very wrappable. You can put this in a Christmas stocking or something. Let's go ahead and open this up here and check it out. And okay, wow. All right, let's check this out here. We're going to go pull it out of the bag. Looks like we have the same, like, nice nylon. Here we go. Looks like it has an extra little clip there. Very interesting. And this here is a upgraded strap. It looks like it is a little bit larger, so this could probably work around your back. This one makes a complete circle. This one here can, but you can see it's much smaller in circumference. It's more like a leg area. And this one here could probably be used around a back, which is really good. Now, looking at the actual material itself, you can see there is a big difference. This does have some metal here in between these plastic. This is like a soft touch plastic. And it does have like a little, it looks like a button here. It looks like this is quick release or something. Oh, it is. Wow. Check that out. Okay, so this right here has a quick release button, and this clips onto the metal part. So it looks like you could clip this not just one way, but either way. Check that out. So this makes this really versatile to use in a lot of different ways. I didn't expect that at all. Wow. Okay, here we have a soft touch plastic. It says Move Plus on it. Very cool. And again, high ballistic nylon. And wow, it just, now I'm starting to get all sorts of things going through my mind, like how I could use these other directional straps to make it go different ways, which is really cool, actually, because sometimes I will, let me pop this out here. This is how you pop them out on the old strap. Just pops right out, okay? And we'll show it in the new strap in a second. Sometimes I use it just on a particular part, like, you know, on my head or neck or whatever. And sometimes I'll just hold it and use it like that too. But this strap really is convenient. Let me go ahead and pop this in. Looks like it pops in on the blue side. Yes, okay, so it pops in the blue side. And you can see it's very solid. It's not going to fall out. And I really did not expect to have this type of versatility. I was pulling the wrong direction there. This type of versatility in making this go either direction. That is really cool. Kudos to them. And it is metal too, which can help keep that strap in place, which is really good. Now, going down here to the end, we're going to follow this all the way around. There should be a buckle somewhere. Oh, you know what? There is no buckle. Oh my God, that's interesting too. Okay, so I figured somewhere there'd be some kind of clasp something along the lines of this. But there really isn't. But that's where this comes into play probably. We're going to open this up in a second. So this could be just clipped on, and then you can use these here to adjust. You can see this can be pulled through. And it looks like this feels very solid, like it's not going to pull out easily. Oh yeah, so that's going to stay in place much better than these previous ones, which were good, but they were like loose, so they'd slide through pretty easily. And this was Velcro too, which you guys know I love Velcro, but that's a whole nother topic. This looks much more stable. Now in the little bag here, we have something else too, and this looks like an end piece or something. Let's see what's in here. Maybe it's just an extra little clasp. Let's see here. Looks like we have two of them on here. I don't want to lose this. Pretty small. Okay, so we have two. Okay, this is like a soft touch plastic, and this is just a way you can clip two of them together, it looks like. So this could easily be wrapped around the metal part, okay, in here. This is kind of an example. Just like that, you can kind of pop this in. Here, I'll pop this out while I'm doing this. We're going to pop this around the metal here. There we go. And you can see you can use that as another means to hook these together. So this makes this really versatile, almost like kind of like a Lego set or something that you can do a lot of different things here. You could easily, just as an example, we'll take this one off here. There we go. And then going back to our little extra pieces, you could daisy chain these bad boys together. Oop, wrong direction. Be good to keep it all going the same direction. Or maybe you don't want to, I don't know. You could daisy chain these together like that, so you could have kind of like a super Kineon if you wanted to have all three of these. We'll unclip this here and unclip this here, and then we'll put these together into a little 3-pack. There we go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and insert my little Move Pluses. Let's see here. We'll go like that. We'll take this out. There we go. Take this out. Put that to the side. And now we're going to put these all together to be like one super mega red light. Here we go. We got them all popped in. It doesn't really matter if they go up or down, it looks like. But now you can see these are all together. And if I wanted to, I could easily take this. We'll turn this back on. I think my timer is running out. We'll take this and put this on. There we go. And this one here will release. There we go. And now I have just made the Mega Kineon. So very cool, guys. Like, I think the strap is a great touch. I love the way you can actually combine it in a lot of different ways. Okay, so to recap, this is a Kineon Move Plus, and this is a new upgraded strap they have, which has these amazing little metal bars, okay, that allow you to clip on these quick release little straps. Okay, so this is actually no plastic clasp or anything. It is like clicking into metal, which is really nice. And I do appreciate the soft touch plastic, and I think this actually is much tighter in the loop, that this isn't going to slide left or right. It's going to stay in place, which is really good. Again, this device I've been using for a long time now. You can go back to my original unboxing video date and you'll see it to be true. And again, this is the type of thing where if something happened, if my house got robbed or something, okay, this is a device I would sincerely miss. I really would. So I'm going to continue using this. I may have some updates going down the road of additional devices and information about this, but everything from the red light therapy that it gives you, the pain relief, to this great case. The case is pretty amazing in its own right. I mean, it's so easy just to click things in. When it comes time to charge, you can just pop it out of, whoop, I really popped it there. Pop it out of the case, and this just kind of clicks right in place like that, and then just have indicator lights for charging. So very cool stuff, guys. Very easy to pop out and charge. And if you guys have any questions about the Kineon Move Plus, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.